Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can download and install the Questrade application on your Android device. Questrade is a self-directed online brokerage that allows two great ways to invest with lower fees: buy and sell your own investment or get a pre-built portfolio. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Play Store application on Android device. Then go to the search bar and you type in for a Questrade. Tap and search. Once you tap and search, you will be able to see the application on very top. You need to tap and open the application. Just below the application, you can see install button. You need to tap on it and wait for the application to get fully installed. As you can see, the application has been fully installed. Now you can tap in open and go in for using the Questrade application. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can download and install the Questrade application on your Android device. Thank you.